אוקיי חברים, מה שאני הולך לעשות, what I'm going to do is to install the cam, that cam, car cam, dash cam, or whatever it's called. 3 pieces, all the lines to the lighter plug. So let's go. Okay guys, so what we have here, this is the camera. Get it out. This is the camera. It looks a bit rough, but there's a sticker on the screen, so don't worry, it's brand new. Okay. What I'm going to do is plug in all the cables that come with it. Okay, this is the rear camera that's shooting from behind of the car. Let's take it out. Okay, it's supposed to go directly with the 2 bolts that came with it. Cool. Okay. And we have the sticky thing, the pompa that's supposed to go on the windshield like this, and then connect the camera. Yep. And the charger. Let's plug it. I'm just plugging it in. Just gonna plug it in first to see that the camera is working and it's getting charged. Everything is okay, and after that I'm gonna start the install. So I won't install for nothing, and then I will find out that it's not working. Great, let's go on to it. Okay guys, so I've tested the camera. It's working perfectly, and as you see, I already connected it. Let me just move it. I have connected it. Now it's ready to go. See, everything is working great. So she's filming me and filming the front of the car. Now we're gonna start putting the cables all the way from approximately here. This is the camera. See the camera? This is connected here. So I'm gonna take the cable up here behind these plastics, you see, and all the way down here, and then from behind the wheel to the charge plug. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Afterward, I'm gonna take the cable of the rear camera and going through here all the way back to the back of the car, and then we will see how we are connecting it with the 2 bolts. So let's go. Okay guys, so as you see, the camera, the last section that I installed over there, the last section, I didn't have managed to find a way to put my phone and film it, but it's really a child's play, like walking in the park. Just take the plastic out, shove the wires behind them, and that's it. You can set it with the zip wire, and it won't move. The camera right now is working. I actually really you can see it in the fast motion. You can see that I'm messing around down there, a lot of messing around. I took apart all this and put the charger over there. So as you see, the camera is working. Right now it's only showing the front of the car. If I put here, this is the back, and this is me. She is picturing me, yeah. And if I want them both, of course, or the picture me, and I'm gonna prefer the front and back, so I can see always what's going on the back. Of course, it's filming me as well all the time, and that's it. Thanks guys.